afternoon everyone. Today we are going to see the next topic, that is reproductive system. Basically this reproductive system which are important in the human beings, and they are related with the male and female. So now we have to see the what is reproductive system. The reproductive system is both the male and female consist of primary and secondary sex organs and sex glands. The functionally the reproductive system is to perpetuate the species through the sexual or germ cell fertilization and reproduction. In the reproduction there occur the copulation between male and females, and when the copulation, at the time of copulation, the male gamete and female gamete they are form their zygote, and then only the reproduction will be occur. We have to see in this male and female reproductive system. In that female reproductive system, that is uterus. In the female reproductive system, ova, ovary and uterus is important organs in the female. The uterus is a hollow muscular pear-shaped organ about the size of the woman's clenched first. The top is tipped forward in a normal anteflexion position. It can be divided into the body or corpus and the bottom cervix. The rounded top portions about the fallopian tubes is called as the fundus. So you know that you can see this fundus, there is a green line they are showing. This green line showing there the fundus, and below that there is a vagina, external and internal vagina, and these are the helpful for the copulations. Then you can see when the female reproductive system, the uterus you can observe under the microscopic at the time of the operating. This by a number of ligaments, trauma, disease or multiple pregnancies can weaken, and this will be helpful for the ligament result of the abnormal condition of the position. Then you can see this female reproductive system. The female reproductive system, that is uterus, the wall has 3 layers. The outside the layer called the perimetrium, and the muscular inside layer called the myometrium, and the mucous membrane lining the uterus called the endometrium. Okay. Now next is that is female reproductive system, the uterus. The uterus has 3 functions. Endometrium sheds the lining of the uterus, and every 21 to 40 days by menstruation period will be occurs in the female, and this it provide the place for the protection and nourishment of the fetus during the pregnancy of the women's, and this will helpful for the women's. You can see these images of the child, how they are growth in the ovary and the ova of the females. Then you can see this is the fallopian tubes of the female. The isthmus is the portion that connect to uterus. How they are looks for the end of the tube is called the infundibulum, and the fimbria are the finger-like projection around the opening that trap the egg and it leaves the ovary. And this next one is the female reproductive system, the fallopian tubes. This one fallopian tubes, and beyond this left and right side they are showing the ovary, and it is about the 4 to 6 inches long. The egg released from the ovary is captured by the fimbria and brought into the fallopian tube. The egg is moved along the inside the tube muscular interaction and the waving action of cilia. It takes an egg about 3 to 4 days to travel the length of tube. If an egg is fertilized, it occurs here the fertilization between the male and female. Then next one is, that is ovaries and ova, how they are looks. This once every 21 days the one follicle in one ovary, this mature follicle is a graphene follicle. The follicle ruptures in response to hormones. Then these hormones, when they are synthesized, the pituitary gland, thyroid gland, etc., after the follicle ruptures, it becomes a mass yellow cells called the corpus luteum. This is a temporary progesterone producing the structure. So this male and female reproductive system is important for the human beings. Okay, thank you.